Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So here on this video I'm going to be talking about our FutureNet marketing system. This is our free rebrandable, literally one-click system. Get set up in a matter of minutes. It really is that simple. So if you're excited about the company that I'm working with, which is FutureNet, and you want to get started really quickly to build a team, or if you're not looking to build a team, if you still want to just make money and you don't want to you don't want to mess around just trying to market your business or whatever, and you don't know, or you don't have confidence in building a team, then FutureNet is a fabulous company to be a part of. We've got multiple streams of income that you can get all in on and access to. One very powerful income stream will even allow you to earn money every 15 minutes without having to build a team. That's right, guys. I'm already earning easily $400 or $500 a day without having to build a team. Although, I'm excited about building a team because I use a very simple to use marketing system, which is Network Solutions Pro, that's 100% focused on FutureNet, and all I do is to simply get eyeballs and get excited about sharing out these gorgeous rebrandable capture pages that are inside this system already done for you. So if all else fails, and you're not the kind of person who's ready to build a team, but you just still want to make some money to get started and even build a substantial income without having to build a team, a full-time income, guys, then FutureNet is definitely the best company to be a part of. It's been around 6 years. We've got several hundreds full-time staff supporting us and working for us. This is a global company, #2 on Alexa ranking worldwide for direct sales. So yeah, we are absolutely huge. We're a billion-dollar company. We've got 4 million people on the platform. 4 million people on the platform, guys. We've got digital products that you're going to need anyway, you're going to like. Very nice, exciting products. Including blogging tools, video email services, and landing page system, literally to build any business. And if you're not building a business and you just want to enjoy the social media side, we've got a social media platform very similar to Facebook that actually pay you an income, money, simply by interacting on social media. So this is a fabulous platform for those who are not really into business, or if you are into business, you've got a great platform. If you're not really in a business person, you're not really looking to build a business, but you want to make some money online, FutureNet is a fabulous company to be a part of. We've got advertising services as well. So you may not be advertising a company yourself, or you may not be advertising anything particularly yourself, but you may know people, or you may know local people who are advertising something, and you may think that simply by sharing out a good opportunity like this, it'd be great for you to be able to make some commission out of that. So very powerful. Now let me take you around this new system. So Network Solutions Pro has been updated. When you first log in and join, you see the welcome video that guides you through the first few steps. The first step is just to join your sponsor in the program. All these buttons, everything is completely branded to you. So when you share out this system, your leads and prospects will only ever see your join links to join your business, your FutureNet business. Then you can join the Facebook group, close down that window to get started. You get started here. Every area on this platform, all the links are branded to you. Okay, so it's 100% completely branded to you. Go through, get more information, understand how the FutureNet business works, get set up in FutureNet Pro, and learn how to build your team. Okay, we've got a very powerful set up your FutureNet business step here. So you can go through and learn how to completely set up your FutureNet business, learn how to get set up, using a very easy to use payment method to get into the business. A full-blown presentation from our marketing director, Hugh Paul, and just simply fill in the blanks with your FutureNet username, click save, and this whole system is 100% set up. Okay, so all you've got to do is, as I say, it only takes minutes to set up. You click save, and all these pages will immediately be branded to you. All the email follow-up messages as your leads come through the pages will be branded to you, so that they get only your links in the emails and on the back end and through the funnel. All right, so and all the training as well, and a branded follow-up message, personalized follow-up message you can copy and paste to send out people who actually join you in your FutureNet business. Okay, but obviously, in addition to this, we've already got the automated follow-up messages going out anyway on your behalf without you having to even lift a finger. So there are those that go out, plus you can just copy and paste a ready done for you email that's branded to you. and more training. And when you do take action and get all in, you'll be able to have access to more very powerful funnels and capture pages to take your business to the next level. All right. And again, more training here and PDF downloads. So the good thing is that even if, obviously you don't need to go through all this to start with, and in fact you don't need to go through all of this, but people have questions. Your team, your downline will have questions about how to get set up. And the good news is that everything is here. You'll be able to digest this in your own time. You don't need to do it all at once. There's actually not that much here, and there's no real need to go through everything all at once. Really how it all works is you go through this, you simply brand it with your FutureNet username, having joined FutureNet for free. You brand it with your username. You download the PDF files to learn how to get into the higher income streams. And then all you have to do is to simply share out your links, get eyeballs onto your capture pages, and that's it, guys. They will be taken through, your leads will be taken through this system, guided, walked through, and gotten completely set up with this system so that you don't really have to do a whole lot of work in order to make this business work for you. And if all else fails, if you can't sponsor 3 people, at least we have the advertising side which will allow you to make money every 15 minutes without having to build a team anyway. So you're going to be able to make money in this anyway. I mean, even from day one, even without having to build a team. But if you can't find 3 people, and most people can, if you're really excited about something and you have a few people you can share out a link to, and you can copy and paste, you can use a mouse, you can do this. You can bring people in through these links. Okay, it's as simple as that, guys. You can be on Facebook and sharing out your links. You can get into an email. You can go down your local high street and talk to people you know. You can go around to your friend's house and give them a little insight about what this is. But if you don't want to talk to people, your family and friends, you don't want to talk to people you might be able to have a few communications or connections on Facebook, on some of the social media sites, and you'll be able to share out a link on your timeline and get people interested in what it is you're doing. So that's really all I'm doing, is I'm just simply sharing out this wonderful opportunity, and I'm able to make $400 or $500 a day simply by getting excited about a wonderful opportunity that's 6+ years old. It's $1 billion company, and we've got a wonderful set of products and services that we're excited about, and that's all I'm doing. I'm simply sharing out the excitement. So guys, this is an easy business to run. I look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching. See you on the inside. Okay, we have got some Hangouts as well. I'll talk to you about those. If you're going to be able to get onto my personal link, you'll be able to get access to those Hangouts. But if you're already in FutureNet and you're already in someone else's team, obviously you won't be able to have access to those Hangouts, because my sponsor, he runs those Hangouts, and those are obviously the rules that are part of our team, our personal team. However, this Network Solutions Pro system is available to everybody, including people who are not actually in my own personal team. So at the very least, you'll get access to this free marketing system. But if you want to join my link, get on the link below in the description of this video. You'll be able to get access, and I'll be able to talk to you about our up-and-coming Hangouts, which are always on Sunday night. Okay, which I'll give you the access link to those Hangouts, so you can join this Sunday, 9 p.m. UK time. Look forward to working with you guys. Take care, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.